Applications of total internal reflection. Few applications are mirage, brilliance of diamond, optic fibers, and right-angled prisms called totally reflecting prisms. Let us see what is mirage. It happens during hot sunny days, especially in desert and on hot roads. During sunny days, the layers of air above the surface of earth will be at different temperatures. As we move towards the surface of earth, temperature increases. Here few layers of air is shown above the surface of earth. Temperature on the surface of earth is T. Just above this layer is at temperature T1. Next layer is at temperature T2. Next higher level is at temperature T3, and so on. We know T is greater than T1, which is greater than T2, greater than T3, and so on. When a ray of light passes from one layer to other layer, as the temperature of the lower level is larger, density decreases. So the ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium. Look at this diagram. This is a tree which is on the surface of earth. From the top of the tree, a ray of light falls through the layers of air over the surface. Since the ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium, if I1 is the angle of incidence, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. R1 is the angle of refraction. R1 is larger than I1. When it reaches here, angle of incidence increases to I2. Angle of refraction also increases correspondingly because the ray passes from denser medium to rarer medium. And this process continues. When it reaches here, the angle of incidence is equal to critical angle. Therefore, angle of refraction is 90 degree. And at this position, angle of incidence still further increased beyond critical angle, and angle of refraction is greater than 90 degree. Thus the ray of light passes in the upward direction after this position because here angle of incidence increases. And when this ray falls on the eye of an observer, he feels that the ray is coming from somewhere on the surface of earth, where he feels that there is a pool of water and he sees the image of the tree there. This is an optical illusion. Mirage takes place because of refraction of light from higher refractive index to lower refractive index due to the variation of temperature and density from layer to layer. As density decreases, refractive index decreases. So, the refraction takes place from higher refractive index to lower refractive index. Let us see this text. On hot summer days, the air near the ground becomes hotter than air at higher levels. The refractive index of air increases with its density. Hotter air is less dense and has smaller refractive index than cooler air. If air currents are small, that is, the air is still, the optical density at different layers of air increases with height. As a result, the light from a tall object such as a tree passes through a medium whose refractive index decreases towards the ground. Thus, a ray of light from such an object successively bends away from the normal and undergoes total internal reflection. If the angle of incidence for the air near the ground exceeds the critical angle. So here TIR takes place. To a distant observer, the light appears to be coming from somewhere below the ground. Say, by a pool of water near the tall object. Such inverted image of distant tall object causes an optical illusion to the observer. This phenomenon is called mirage. This type of mirage is especially common in hot deserts. Brilliance of diamond. The brilliance of diamond is mainly due to the total internal reflection of light inside it. The critical angle for diamond air interface is nearly 24.4 degree, which is very small. Therefore, once light enters a diamond, it is very likely to undergo total internal reflection inside it. By cutting of a diamond suitably, makes diamonds to sparkle so brilliantly. Next application is optical fiber. Optical fiber works on the phenomenon of total internal reflection. They are fabricated with high quality composite glass or quartz fibers. Each fiber consists of a core and a cladding, and the refractive index of the material of the core is higher than that of the cladding. When the signal in the form of light is directed at one end of the fiber at a suitable angle, it undergoes repeated total internal reflections along the length of the fiber and finally comes out at the other end, totally reflecting prisms. Look at this diagram. This is a right angled prism. One of the angles is 90 degree and other two angles are 45 degree each. The rays of light emerge out from the object AB through one of the face and falls on the hypotenuse. There it undergoes total internal reflection and second final image is formed, which is A dash B dash, that is making an angle 90 degree with the object. The image is making 90 degree towards left of the object. In this diagram, this is also a right angled prism, but the object is placed on the side of the hypotenuse. The rays coming out of the object falls on one of the face and undergo total internal reflection. These rays further undergo one more TIR from the other face of the prism, finally emerge out of the prism. So the image is making 180 degree with object, or the image is inverted. Look at the figure C. This type of prism is inverting the image of the object. The rays are coming out of the object, passes through the prism, where it undergo total internal reflection and comes out. So the image is making an angle 180 degree with the object.